Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
These people performing vocal exercises together share something surprising in common. Most of them have survived a stroke.
It started out as medical music therapy. And then within that first meeting, I had maybe 8 people around a table. We sang one song, and somebody from that group said that they would love to start a choir.
Tom Schweitzer, co-founder of music therapy organization A Place to Be, began the Different Strokes for Different Folks choir 5 years ago in association with Inova Loudoun Hospital to provide stroke survivors with a therapeutic creative outlet.
Music, its ability with text, its ability with rhythm, connects to a human being in the brain where nothing else can. So we find a lot of music for people who have survived a stroke to be not only something that engages their memory, but prompts them for words that they might not be able to access very easily.
Such mental engagement is also helpful for those who suffer neurological damage other than having had a stroke.
We do have one individual who has Parkinson's. We have one individual who is dealing with dementia. So any of these populations that deal with the brain and healing, we just accept them in.
Here, the choir rehearses for its approaching Christmas concert after having finished Thanksgiving break.
How about you, Jim? How was your Thanksgiving? What were you thankful for at Thanksgiving?
I woke up and see light and sucking air.
Yes.
The Lord gave me another day above ground.
We do a lot of joking and teasing and listening. It's different each Wednesday. Some days we'll go around the room and talk about what we're experiencing or what was difficult this week or what was great this week.
Jim Burns, a trained life coach, volunteers with the group to support and interact with the other members.
What we don't want to do is scream. Jim.
I have seen all kinds of improvement and some people who hardly improve at all. Feel a lot of gratitude. We take our health for granted. So many things can happen.
The group readied a handful of holiday-themed tunes for its recital.
Christmas time to come in. Christmas time to come in. Christmas time.
Though that's not all they prepared. They do all this with the help of other music therapists on A Place to Be's staff.
Those music therapists spend their week with an array of different sort of populations, from a 5-year-old with autism to an 85-year-old with stroke. They have the ability with music to implement a therapeutic process with many different populations throughout the week.
The Christmas concert took place December 8th at the Hill School in Middleburg.
This is the Different Strokes for Different Folks choir. We are very excited to sing for you today. Being a part of this choir has meant the world to A Place to Be, and to myself. Our main goal is joy, that these family members get to sit and watch their loved one on stage, and that when they see them sing, there's this joy that innately comes from within.
Here we go. I want to sing out.
The concert finished off with a song the choir wrote together, We Are Survivors.
And shout, we are survivors.
For many of these survivors, it's been a very long road. People in the holidays, we were really desperately looking for hope. And I think that when you watch them perform, hope is what you get.